Okay, so we're just going to do a total walk from the start of the road down to the end of the road here. Here we go. It's very loud here, so. Oops, big dead rat. We'll go past that. So here's the monument to welcome you into Ambang. It's Australia Day 2026 and it's about 6:30 in the morning. So it's quite quiet. First of many dogs, but got some chickens over here. Now, we haven't been to these local ones yet, but we will try them all eventually. Bit of construction going on here. They just take up half the road. Oh, and one of my favourite little cars on the right. So cute. Excellent bakery over here. Amazing gate. Can't always walk on the footpath here because there's other cars parked or various other things on the footpath. Favourite local store here. Our street where we're living now, but only for another couple of weeks. Huge canopy erected over there because we had a wedding during the week. It's very loud, but it was beautiful. careful you don't get run over. To the right, this is the street that you go down to the morning markets. Very busy already. Local bakery over here. We get our pain au chocolats there. This is our local tailor shop. Got a few things fixed there.
Yeah.
This is the primary school here on the left. Just coming up on the Red Lantern. So they're holding a big Australia Day party tonight. We're going to go to that. It's small, but they pack in a lot of people. Bit of construction work going on up here. Got one here on the right. That's been put up in a matter of weeks. It's amazing how fast they get the buildings done. Try the footpath. Okay, a couple of local places. We've been to most of these. This is how they look up. Very trusting. That was my tailor, Ken. Tet's coming up, so we can't wait to see what it's like during Tet. That should be interesting. Another one of our favourite little mini marts. They're all local here. We've only got one Nguyen mart here. Oh, this is Peter's favourite place, the brewery. Very nice. Got Casa Loco over there, Mexican. Ah, we have the competing banh mi ladies coming up. We're right across the street from each other. We went to the one on the right yesterday. Really good banh mi. I think it was 20,000. Xin chào. Hello. Not today, thank you. Love it. Everyone's so friendly here. Another little mini mart. This one's a good one too. Coming up to our favourite expat bar, Double Cap on the right here. They make the best chocolate martinis. Oh, and this one's an Australian bar. They're going to be having a big day today for Australia Day. Aussie music, Aussie films, Aussie beer, and meat pies and beer. Okay, manoeuvre the sidewalk. Okay, we come down to the main intersection up here. So to the left we have lots of seafood restaurants right on the beach. And we go to the little coffee shop on the right a few times. The old lady there is just adorable. Cute little puppy coming our way. It's a bit fat. Across the road. So the one on the corner there is called Blackfin. They're pretty good, but they're quite expensive, I think, for the quality of their food. Coming up to the lighthouse. Fantastic pizzas. Best pizza in town, I think. And then we've got the Bungalow Beach Bar on the right here. That's massive expat hangout. The guy behind the bar is an absolute classic. He's so funny. New villas. Pity it's not an actual villa, it's just rooms. Getting towards the end of the street. I think this is the street. Yeah, there's a bar down there. We came past one morning about 6 o'clock and it was still packed with people. Okay. It's much quieter down this end. And you don't realise how close the beach is from here. So if I just look down this street, just down this alleyway and a little bit further is the beach. Amazing. Oh, we've got Tom's sourdough over here. Fantastic bread. And they make a fantastic protein bowl. I've not been to that one yet. Actually, we haven't been to a lot of these ones down here. We're definitely going to try this place. It's called Weavers. Apparently they do a Sunday roast and they do a vegetarian option. So, but you just got to tell them in advance. This is the infamous wall that separates us from Hidden Beach on the other side. It's a failed resort. I'll show you. It's quite strange. So the street used to have a track running all the way through, but I think this failed during COVID. So if we just look over there, you can see a huge apartment block. There's about 3 of them. And then there's a huge castle down near the beach. But this is it. This is the end of the main street of Ambang. Just going to do a quick... There we go. That's it for today.